sing the song of sixpence. Figs full of rye, 4 and 20 black figs. Oh, I can't say black figs. The African American figs baked in a pie. Hey, where's the Mr. Pickle? Hey, Mr. Pickle, where's that kosher Mr. Pickle? Hey, Mr. Pickle, come on out and play. Oh. What do you want, Mr. Fig? You Italian figs, you got my yarmulke messed up. What do you want, Mr. Fig? You got my kosher pickle all pickled. Oh. I think I'm going to go to the briny sea. By the briny sea, by the sea, by the briny sea, I get pickled in the juice. Oh, how happy I'll be when the brine it comes rolling in. We will. Oh, what's the matter, Mr. Pig? Don't you like my song? Wait, don't let my yarmulke fall off. Mr. Pickle. Mr. Kosher Pickle. What a frickin' nightmare he is. Oy vey, he would say. But you know what I would say?